Have you struggled with traditional diets and are looking for a new approach to lose weight? The protein to energy diet, also called the PE diet, might be the solution you've been searching for. This innovative diet focuses on the ratio of protein to non-protein energy, carbohydrates, and fats in your diet. By optimizing this ratio, you can achieve effective and sustainable weight loss without the pitfalls of traditional dieting methods. Understanding the PE diet. The PE diet is based on the principle that protein is essential for building and maintaining muscle mass, while excess energy from carbohydrates and fats can lead to weight gain. By increasing your protein intake and reducing your consumption of non-protein energy sources, you can promote fat loss, maintain muscle mass, and improve overall health. Why the PE diet works. 1. Increased satiety. Protein is known to be more satiating than carbohydrates or fats. By consuming more protein, you can feel fuller for longer periods, reducing overall calorie intake and curbing the urge to snack between meals. 2. Muscle preservation. During weight loss, preserving muscle mass is crucial for maintaining metabolism and overall strength. The PE diet ensures you get enough protein to support muscle maintenance, even as you lose fat. 3. Improved metabolism. Protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning your body burns more calories digesting and processing protein. This can boost your metabolism and enhance weight loss. How to implement the PE diet. 1. Calculate your protein needs. Start by determining your daily protein requirement. A common guideline is to consume 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. For example, if you weigh 70 kilograms, aim for 112 to 154 grams of protein daily. 2. Focus on protein-rich foods. Incorporate high-quality protein sources into your meals, such as lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, and plant-based proteins like tofu and tempeh. Prioritize these foods to ensure you meet your protein goals. 3. Reduce non-protein energy sources. Limit your intake of carbohydrates and fats, particularly refined sugars and unhealthy fats. Opt for complex carbohydrates like whole grains and healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil, but keep them in moderation to maintain the optimal PE ratio. 4. Balance your meals. Aim for balanced meals that provide adequate protein with a controlled amount of carbohydrates and fats. This helps maintain energy levels while promoting satiety and muscle preservation. Sample PE diet meal plan. Breakfast. Scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, served with a side of Greek yogurt. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and a light vinaigrette. Snack. Cottage cheese with sliced almonds and a handful of berries. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and quinoa. Dessert. A small serving of low-fat cottage cheese with a sprinkle of cinnamon. Tips for success. 1. Track your progress. Keep a food diary or use a nutrition tracking app to monitor your protein intake and ensure you're meeting your goals. 2. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion and overall health. 3. Stay consistent. Like any diet, consistency is key. Stick to your protein goals and balanced meals to see the best results. 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Adjust your protein intake and meal portions as needed to support your weight loss journey. The PE diet offers a practical and effective approach to weight loss by focusing on the ratio of protein to non-protein energy in your diet. By increasing your protein intake and reducing carbohydrates and fats, you can achieve sustainable weight loss, preserve muscle mass, and improve overall health. If traditional diets have left you frustrated and searching for a new solution, give the PE diet a try and discover a more balanced way to reach your weight loss goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.